Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix number keys are not working in Windows 11. So to fix this problem, first method you have to turn on numeric lock on your keyboard. So you will find on your numeric keypad one particular button or key num lock. So make it on and try. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Click on start, then settings, and here click on Bluetooth and devices, and here click on mouse. Now here click on accessibility in this left side panel, and in this settings you have to click on mouse, this one, and turn off this mouse keys if it's on. So make it off and restart your laptop. So hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you.